Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 530 M Sport. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels. We have your LED headlights are the black Kardon girls, full M Sport styling kits to get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. We have your blacked out styling, so with the black paintwork and the black M Sport kit you have your black window trim and also your privacy glass on the rear. You get your front and rear parking sensor with visual display. As you can see, the rear diffuser is flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches and rear does look superb from every angle. Going to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. As you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle, ISO fixed points, blue stitch in there as well. You have your BMW individual trim with your purple ambient lighting, which is interchangeable from lots of different colours. There's a look at the driver's front seat. Driver and passenger are both heated and electrically adjustable from just down there. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, BMW individual trim, integrated Harman Kardon, ambient lighting just there as well. Auto lights, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift. If you wish to take the car into manual mode, vehicle has done just over 75,379 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Screen just in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your front and rear parking sensor visual display just there. Now you do have your dual zone climate control, works exactly how you'd expect it to. 2 heated front seats. You have your BMW individual trim just there as well. This is what you use control happens on your screen if you don't use the touchscreen function. Different drive modes, you have your e-drive settings just there as well. As it is a hybrid, so you do get your electric and also your engine, which is a petrol. Soft touch leather armrest, and there's the look at the passenger's front seat with the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today, free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2017 67 plate BMW 530 M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the side. We have a multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if we stay in the car into manual mode, and on the left hand side you have a cruise control and speedometer. We have your digital dash, which changes when you go through all the different drive modes. So when you put it into sport, it's a lot different to what it looks like when you put it in your eco and your comfort modes. Now being the hybrid vehicle, you do get, when you let off the brake, it then starts to charge as the regenerative braking. You have a little gauge on the right hand side which tells you how much electric you have, and when you put your foot down it goes into e-boost, which is after the top of the rev range, and then goes into e-boost just to give you a little bit more extra power. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, and also front and rear parking sensors. Both front seats are heated, and you have your dual zone climate control just down there, with ice cold aircon and very nice warm heat. We have your electrically adjustable seat throughout this vehicle, integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. You have the extended thigh support if you wish to use that as well on both front seats. Now I can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. So right now, coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, push straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So just waiting for a little bit of traffic to pass and then I'll be able to pull in. Now I'm going to do a countdown from 3 when I do the emergency stop. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.